Video on the Getting Started section on Wall Street Academy. On this video, I'll be speaking on downloading the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is also called MT4, and then installing indicators and templates on your MetaTrader 4 platform. As you guys know, MT4 is super old, so the way on how I go about installing these templates, it makes your charts look super up to date versus sticking with one of the default templates that comes on that platform. Okay, so this page that I'm on right now is the homepage for Wall Street Academy, and on this left side you have all of the tabs. So if you go on the bottom tab where it says templates and downloads, you have all the files that you will need to install on your MT4 platform, and also extra files that will help you out on your trading journey. Okay, so the most important tab out of all this right here, I would probably say, is featured, because it has all of the main files that I use on my own platform as well. So you have download all indicators, download all templates, MetaTrader mtrading.dmg, which is made for the Mac, QFX5, which is one of my templates, and which is my main template at this moment in time. And image is all the PNG files, PDF files that you would actually, could help you out as well with patterns and whatnot, harmonics, and all kind of things that will help you out on the journey. Indicators, which is all the indicators that is also being used inside this one-click indicator file also. Then you have primary templates, MetaTrader, which has the MT4 for Mac and then MT4 for PC. So these two files are both different. I couldn't actually download this file on this operating system, knowing that this is Mac. So if you have Mac or Windows, it's the same exact process to actually download these files and go about installing all of these indicators and templates. Down here you have secondary templates, which is all templates that I created like back in the day that you could actually use as well. I don't really use them all too much anymore because right now I'm on QFX5. All right, so now I'm going to give you guys a full walkthrough on installing and downloading all of these templates, including MetaTrader 4. Okay, so if I go right here on a MetaTrader 4 M Trading, so M Trading is literally just the sponsor of this file right here. So it's not as if you're using any kind of certain broker to use and make these files work. They could all be used off of, it's universal. It's universal. So any time you have a broker that has a MetaTrader 4 platform, they're just sponsoring it. It's not as if they own it. They're just sponsoring it for their name. So this one is just modified for Mac. So if I go on download, it'll start to download this file right here. Download anyway. Then it will download down here. So I already have this installed on the computer, but I just wanted to show you guys on the flow of it, downloading and then installing on the entire system. So if I go back now, I could just download all indicators. Boom. And all of these are downloading in full folders. So all you literally have to do is just drag and drop. That's it. Then download all templates. Once again, it's in a folder, makes things a lot easier. Boom. So we have two folders, and then we have our main DMG file for our MetaTrader 4. So go on that there. It says verifying. This right here is the process. So a lot of times on Mac, you might also see a little, error that you can override once you go in your settings. So let me show you guys how this looks real quick before I actually show you guys, how to fix that error. And I already have this installed. I'm not going to do the full installation, but I'm going to show you guys how this actually, works. All right, checking volumes, all the other stuff. So once you have this, you just drag this box, this icon to this folder, applications. So once you have this drag drop here, it will go inside the applications folder, which is located in your Finder. So new Finder window. All right. So on Finder, if you go on applications, you have all of your applications, and then you will also see M Trading right here. All right. So there's certain times when you're actually downloading this platform, you could have an error message saying that it's not gonna open it because it's not recognized by Apple and whatnot. So you would have to go on your settings, where your system preferences actually, and then go on where it says security and privacy. And then if you get that error message, you'll see something that pops up right here that says open anyway. So you click open anyway and then try to reinstall it again, and then it will bypass, the security of your operating system to download and install this M-Trading platform. All right. So once that is downloaded, this is how it will look once you actually open it up. Let's wait for it. And I'm running through this entire thing with you, so you shouldn't have any kind of issues at all when it comes to downloading and installing this entire thing. Takes a few minutes, well, not a few minutes, a few seconds actually, probably like 20 seconds to pop up. So it pops up. You'll see, you have like your account information right here. It will always say waiting for update. That is completely normal. All right. So once you have your broker account hooked up, which you will find in the next few steps, of the getting started section, you have your broker hooked up to your MT4 platform. And then once you see waiting for update, that's all normal, right? It's not really waiting for any update. You can wait forever. Nothing's gonna happen. So you go on this left side here and you right click on any pair, chart window, and then your charts will pop up, okay? Completely normal. So now to install your indicators and templates, these two files right here, okay? If you go on the file, you will see all of these indicators right here, all right? So this is like the best way how to go about this. So it's less hassle. You don't have to actually drag and drop each file. So you go on Finder, Applications, right click, Show Package Content, Drive C, Program Files, and M-Trading MetaTrader 4 Terminal. All right, you'll see all this right here. So there's two things that I did download the indicators and templates. The template folder is located right here. All right, you can see all of these files inside here. So if I go on download, since I just downloaded all the templates, you could just change this folder name to templates. All right, I'll go back on the M-Trading root folder where all these files were, and you could literally just erase this right here. You could just click move to trash, and then it will erase it. So then you will just be dragging and dropping this folder. You could just right click, copy, and then put this folder and replace this right here. All right, once that is done, you could then start doing the replacement of the indicator folder. All right, change the file name just so it's all organized. All right, copy this, go on MQL4, then you'll see indicators, right? You can right click on indicators, click move to trash, and then you'll paste what you actually just copied off of the previous window, which was on the download section. So you're literally just replacing the folders just so it's quick and easy. So once that is done, you click X, boom. Then once that is uploaded, well, it's not really uploaded, but pretty much in the MetaTrader 4 system on this software, you exit it out. All right. Make sure it's fully closed out, press quit, reopen the platform. Wait a few seconds again. And once it pops up, it will literally be easy. Okay? So you have to actually reboot this entire system, mainly because it's still running on the old files that was inside that root folder. So once you have that all installed and you're back on this platform here, you just go on this top part here where you'll see all of your templates that was just installed. And go on the most recent template, which is QFX5 at this moment in time. If I have QFX6, QFX7, just go on that. It doesn't even matter. Just go on the most recent template of the MetaTrader 4 that I actually have up right now. So QFX5, and boom. Then you have this right here, right? This is the template right here. As you can see, it's real sleek and sexy, versus one of the default templates that come on MetaTrader 4, which is, you know, the black and white, what we just seen. All right, so that's literally on how you actually install it. To install any file, it's the same process. You know, if you wanted to download another TPL file, which is a template file, you could just download the exact file and drop it in that template folder, restart your MetaTrader 4, and then it will pop up right here on your template section. If you wanted to download an indicator file, which could be exe or MQ4 files, just download that file, go on the same thing, applications, right click, show package content, drive C, program files, M trading, MQL4, indicators, and then drop the files in here. And as you can see, all of these files here are EX4 files and MQ4 files. Okay? When it comes to your template files, they're always going to be .tpl. Okay? So that's how you install your platform. That's how you install your indicators and templates. And then you have it working on your trading platform. All right? So check out that next video, and then, you know, you'll learn how to work this entire platform and everything else that, you know, goes along with this course. All right? Peace out, guys.